Here's how I've set up my Thrustmaster TCA Yoke Pack Boeing Edition for my Xbox. This works for both PC and Xbox, but we're using the Xbox today. I use this with my Thrustmaster rudder pedals, which is connected to the throttle, which is connected to the yoke, which is connected to the Xbox. Let's run Microsoft Flight Simulator 2024, go into settings, and figure out what the controls are set up as. Now that we're set, we take off from Miami International Airport in our Southwest Airlines Boeing 737. Happy flying.